I am Dr. Rakesh Ranjan Panda, consultant dermatologist working at Medicare, Bhubaneshwar. So today I will be talking something about skin care tips that we should normally follow during the winter period. Many people or many gals, everyone is worried about how to take care of their skin during the winter time. As we know, in the winter time, since the temperature drops, our body becomes dry. So what do we need to do to prevent the dryness of the skin? So mostly what we do, we always tell our patients to use lot of moisturizers. So what kind of moisturizers they should use? First of all, before using any moisturizer, they should always contact a dermatologist because they are the best person to prescribe which type of moisturizer is good for their body. So normally, if the skin is dry due to certain pre-existing skin conditions like psoriasis, atopic dermatitis, lichen planus. So in these cases, our skin becomes more dry. So in those cases, we always advise them to use a ceramide-based moisturizer with that should have some liquid paraffin and soft paraffin. So ceramide-based moisturizers are best for those skin conditions. And normally, what we tell to others that what kind of moisturizer they should use in their face, because for face there is a different kind of moisturizer and for body another different kind of moisturizer. So in face-based moisturizer we tell them to use the moisturizer that contains aquaxil. So aquaxil based moisturizer is good for the face, and for palms and soles we always advise them to use moisturizer that contains UV. And another thing I would like to suggest, in winter time, many people think that there is no sun or the sunlight is not so heavy, so we may skip the sunscreen. So I always tell to all my patients that to use the sunscreens regularly, like maybe summer, winter, rainy season, whatever the seasons it may be, but every day just before going out, before 20 minutes of going out, we should apply moisturizer full face, including the neck and also on our head that are exposed to the sun areas. And also I advise them during the winter time to always use lip balm because our lips also gets very much dry. And what kind of lip balm we need to use? The lip balm that contains petrolatum jelly. Those lip balms are really good for our lip. So once again, I would like to tell all my patients that to always consult a dermatologist before using any kind of sunscreen, moisturizer, lip balm, anything. And then what I would like to say, apart from these medicinal products, what all they need to follow for a healthy skin during winter. So another thing that they should really follow, they should always do 1 to 2 hours of regular exercise. That is a mandatory thing. Whatever the skin condition, whatever the climate may be, they should always do regular exercise. And they should always drink 2 to 3 liters of water daily. Like many people during the winter time, what they do, it's a cold climate, so they don't drink water in a proper way or to the sufficient amount. So maybe it may be winter season, we always advise the patients to drink plenty of water. And another most important thing that keeps our skin healthy is proper sleep cycle should be maintained. So many people nowadays, what they do, they are so much oriented to their mobile phones and watching TVs and all, so they tend to sleep irregularly or at a very late night. So what happens with this condition? Our skin becomes dull. Lot of hyperpigmentations develop in our face, including around the eyes. So I always tell my patients to have a healthy sleep cycle, eat good nutritious foods, including the seasonal foods that are available in whichever season, and do regular exercises and maintain all these things. Regular use of moisturizers, regular use of sunscreen. So these are all the factors that will keep our skin healthy. Thank you.